Sawadika and welcome to another episode of World of Thai Food. In this video, I will take you along to my aunt Palek and uncle Lungtun's house, where I'm going to finally get my aunt's secret recipe for her famously delicious vegetarian deep-fried Thai curry puffs. My aunt is an amazing Thai cook, and she always has delicious food ready whenever I come over. I know you're gonna love this recipe.
So now my aunt showing how to dice the sweet potato. So this is one of the ingredients of the curry puff. The secret recipe will give 400 pieces of curry puff. She always used 2 kilograms of sweet potato and then the sugar for half a kilogram. My aunt didn't know that I can cut this thing to the dice. This is industrial amount. Normally I made the homey amount.
All hands on deck for the 400 curry puffs.
No, my aunt said we're gonna make it to half portion.
Oh really?
Yeah. Because she thinks it's gonna take a long time to do 400 pieces.
I think so, especially since we have a recipe to shoot this evening. So.
Yeah. Now we have the veggie cut ready, both onion and sweet potato. Next we're gonna do the filling. We're gonna stir fry them, for quite some time. And let's move to the kitchen. Okay. Song. Okay. That's how she measures things. So now my aunt just put 250 grams of palm sugar and 2 large spoons of fish sauce, and now heating them together in a pan. I will measure how much exactly the fish sauce for you. So we use 50 milliliter of fish sauce. Two tablespoons of curry powder. Gonna put the sweet potato into the sauce. And my aunt just told me that we don't need the water in here because the water from this sweet potato gonna come out after we fried it for some time. Let it cool down. So I mean, don't get confused what we are doing because my aunt never measured the ingredient before. So I have to give her this measuring cup. So, just to make sure that normally how much exactly she used the water and oil in the dough. So we use 500 grams of standard white flour, and we use 100 milliliter of the cooking oil. 200 milliliter of water. 1 teaspoon of sea salt in the water. Song say thanh đang ngoài lùng thun tắt tên là qua. Thịt còn na cắn. Ngànอีกนานค่ะนะเลยกับสายตามันก็คือว่าพอดีนะแต่เราไม่ได้จับเอง
ห็นแล้วใช่ไหมวะ
เห็นแล้ว
ทำกับไอ้นี่
ถึงได้ปลาเล็กใส่ขวด
ถึงโปรไปจะไม่ต้องใกล้กัน
โอเค that's it
ไม่ต้องใกล้เลยปัจจุบันพูดไอ้เนี่ยพ่นไป
มัน
เดียว
ใหญ่มันยาวจนมันเลี้ยวได้
อยู่บ้านได้
อยู่บ้าน
โอ้
พอทีนี้พอมารู้ว่าก้อนเนื้อคือปลาเล็กต้องใส่แป้ง
นั่ง
she has to go back to use the bottle to do the dough because they actually technique. If you can see this, you can see through the bottle and you see the size of the dough while you are expanding it. If you use this one, then you don't see the size while you're trying to expand it. Okay, so it has to be circle. You cannot do it too hard.
ได้เอา
ได้ไหม Difficult to perfect it. You need to practice. I can tell.
จะไม่เนียมปันนี้ดิ
เพื่อนเพื่อนได้ไหม Better.
นั่นแหละถ้าจับขวดปันนี้เลยนะ
มาเราพับเป็นแล้ว
มันพอนี้เลยถึงตรงแล้วคอยไหลไปแม่กามือดำเดี๋ยวทีหลังมือไม่ตีเลย
She said, do the hand like this. Put it on. You have this hole. And you just put the filling in there. Just put it together. Make sure that the dough close properly.
เคยเห็นน้องไปลงนักหน้าขึ้นมันยังกันเรียได้
มันมีเพลได้
ในปลาไม่ได้แบบนั้น
และก้อนไม่ใช่มีพันนี้นี่นะ
คนมันก็มีอันนี้เขา
ไม่เจอ
ว่ามาเร่งเม้นอยู่เขาตายเป็นเม้นนี้
กินกับเบียร์ก้อนวะ
เดี๋ยวกันนะ
จริงเลยนะ ต้องให้แกบอสนะ
ได้กันมูลิเนกบดนี่แหละตัวเด้งหน้าเด้ง
Mod.
เอา
Now you try. Balek has the comment that the onion is a bit too big. Professional. And this was my husband done. I'm filming it. We don't want your fingers on this. Too big. You need to make it really finely.
I will improve.
Now you've learned how to make a batch of 200 to 400 Thai curry puffs. Don't worry, I will break down the recipe to 100 pieces in the description below. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and have a spicy day. Bye.
Try it. Is it good?
It's very good.
Hmm.